Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
John Day, it's basically a thriller drama, and the story basically deals with a mysterious death and a conspiracy behind the mysterious death, and all the characters how they are connected and involved in that conspiracy, and eventually what happens to them. See, when I was writing the script, I was kind of very clear that I wanted to cast Nasir Saab to play John Day, and there is one more very important character in the film which Randeep plays. So the first when I met the producer Anjum Rizvi, and we discussed on Nasir Saab. So and we sent the script to him and he liked it. So and later on when we were thinking that who to cast for the other character, so it was kind of very easy for me to think about Randeep for that role. Yeah, I remember the first time when after reading the script he had called me, and he walked in and he said, "You are Solomon." I said, "Yeah." So he just shook the hand and he said that, damn good script, I'm doing it.
जॉन डे एक थ्रिलर है, थ्रिलर ड्रामा, और इट्स अ टोटल एंगेजिंग इंट्रीगिंग फिल्म जो एक इंसान की कहानी जिस दौर से गुजरता है वो उसके ऊपर है ये पूरी कहानी। इसमें नसीरुद्दीन शाह, रणदीप हुडा, अलीना कज़ान, शरद सक्सेना, शहनाज पटेल हैं।
We are thrilled by the response that we have got from whosoever has watched the film. More than 200 लोगों ने ये फिल्म देखी है, and they have appreciated a lot. By their terms, it is a different kind of thriller which they have not seen in Bollywood so far. Whatever we had anticipated at the time of selecting the script and the director, it has turned out to be exactly the same. The shot taking, the dialogues, the pace, and the story as such, and the suggestions that we are getting from the viewers so far is to even promote it in channels like AXN and Fox, where you see the thrillers like Shield, Practice, CSI NY. So it's definitely a relief that we have come out with a wonderful product.
It's a film about it's a mystery film with a lot of suspense thriller drama in it, and ज़्यादा रिवील नहीं कर सकता, सस्पेंस है तो एक नटशल में ये है कि it's a thriller drama. So I would love you guys to come and watch it to experience yourself.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.